by herself. Lightning McQueen! Come on, hurry on in. All lanes are open.
That's right, Mac. Come on in, rookie racers. I'm Sally Ferreira.
Queen's better than half. I'll say so myself.
Excitement is in the air as Lightning McQueen is driving over to share his racing insights with all of you.
Well, actually, Sally, I drove him in. So I guess you could say that Lightning McQueen is brought to you today by me.
Nice one, Mac. Hey, let's test the rookies on the Lightning McQueen knowledge.
Great idea.
Who is Lightning McQueen's official sponsor?
I'm gonna go
Dinoco?
Seat 7.
From Fresh or Rusty?
Izzy, wait!
All right, let's set it all together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rusties! Great job, rookies.
Look, more rookie racers. Welcome, everyone. As you enter the Racing Academy, pick a lane and find a parking spot. Remember to drive all the way down your lane to make room for every car.
In just a few minutes, we'll be off to the races with Piston Cup winner Lightning McQueen.
7-time Piston Cup winner.
And Lightning isn't the only Piston Cup winner around today. Of course, I'm talking about Cruz Ramirez.
Hey, everybody. In which event did Cruz Ramirez have her racing debut?
Crazy 8, World Grand Prix, or Florida 500.
All right, everybody. Shout out the answer on 3. 1, 2, 3. Crazy. Oh, nice going, rookies.
Yeah! Oh, Cruz and Lightning have been working on a demo for today that's going to knock your tires off.
Cruz really knows her racing. I'd give her 2 humps up.
Hello, rookie racers! Welcome to Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. I'm Sally.
And I'm Mac.
And we're here live backstage at the Racing Academy. As you rookies make your way in, please pick a lane and drive on in.
Once you find your parking spot,
Can I stand on the
please
bench
turn
while
off
I
all
find the
high beams and silence your radios. There is no smoking, eating, flash photography, or video recording inside the Racing Academy. Thank you.
From racer to mentor, Lightning McQueen has had quite a career. Let's take things back to Lightning's rookie year for our next question.
Sure thing, Sally. In his rookie Piston Cup year, which racer was in a 3-way tie with Lightning McQueen and the King?
Louise Nash, Cruz Ramirez, or Chick Hicks?
Shout out the answer on 3, please. 1, 2, 3.
Right! The times between Lightning, the King, and Chick Hicks. That was one wild race.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, that egomaniac Chick Hicks went on to win that whole season. He and Lightning have been rivals ever since.
To those just driving in, I'm Sally, and I'm here with Lightning McQueen's official driver and my pal, Matt.
Hi there! Please be aware that the lights will dim and effects will be used during today's presentation. So, remain parked until the lighting returns to normal. If you need to exit the Racing Academy, please drive back to where you entered. Find a member of our racing team to help.
How about one last question before we get started? What is Lightning McQueen's signature catchphrase? We don't need to read the whole thing. Let's see the answer all together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now, whenever you hear ka-chow, shout it out as loud as you can. Let's try it. Ka-chow.
Come on, you rookies. Rev those engines. Who can do better than that?
If you're ready to meet Lightning McQueen, yell it. Ka-chow.
All right, rookie racers. Find your parking spot. Turn off your engines. And remember to stay parked until the end of the presentation. Thank you.
Can I do the honors with you?
All of us are on the
Yeah.
This is Disney and Jacob and Jacob and everybody.
Oh my god, look at that.
Doors are closed.
Welcome, rookie racers, to Light McQueen's Racing Academy. There's going to be no eating or drinking while in the training facility. If taking photos or videos, please make sure your flash is off. And for our little racers, please remain seated at all times. That means no standing, crawling, or climbing on those benches. Thank you, and good job!
Good job!
We both all the top of the show.
And now, the card champion you've all been waiting for.
Tom Bader! Well, hey there, rookie racers. You're parked in Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. My bestest buddy, Lightning McQueen, done asked me to introduce him. So I put together a little thing I call Lightning McQueen, the untold story that ain't done yet been told. And here it is, singing style. Oh, I gotta push the button. I knew that. Here's a story of a car. No crazy rookie star. Into the season, and what a good crazy three-way time. Everyone say, here it goes.
There it goes!
We got lost late one night. We knew friend back on the side. I'm new home, swinging proud in radiator train. Drink my coffee in our way because he chose to have a friend. It's hard, but in the end, you know he champion. Everybody shout, pony! Pony! Racing, chasing, consolation, winning, comes a racing. Watch him now and listen to him. Tell me to do racing way. Honk your horns and say it loud. Good job, good job, good job. Hit the lights, make them spin. Hit the lasers. Okay, last laser, last laser.
Put your wheels together for 7-time Piston Cup champion and Mater's best friend, Lightning McQueen!
Mater, that was some introduction.
Well, nothing's too good for my best buddy. I pulled out all the stops with lights, lasers, and smoke.
There's no smoke.
No smoke.
Thanks, Mater. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a great group of rookie racers. You know, I only figured out how to be a great racer because I had a great teacher, Doc Hudson. That's why I started this racing academy, so I could pay that forward to all of you.
Buddy,
Yes, Mater?
Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or three.
That's right. He taught me how to drive backwards, how to tip tractors, how to be a great friend.
Yeah, and then you went on to win a heap of piston cups. Whee!
Now, winning is great and all, but Doc taught me at the end of the day, without your friends, it's just an empty cup. Doc's passion for racing was inspiring. If he couldn't outrace them, he would outthink them.
Ladies and gentle cars, the fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Wow. Now, give up today's lesson. I'm going to take a few laps on a simulator. I know what you're thinking. Simulators and I don't get along very well. Did you have to show that, Mater?
Well, it makes you more dramatical.
Yeah, but that's not going to happen this time, thanks to the tech-savvy rookie sensation and my friend, Cruz Ramirez.
After today, you'll be ready to meet it, greet it, and defeat it.
Exactly. Mater, boot up the simulator.
You got it. What? Oh, gotta push the button. Wrong button.
Right. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, rookies. Help me with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, it's always good to start with a practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Now, when you're racing, you want to keep an eye on your tire pressure
started, get used to the speed for a moment, pick a line, and stick to it. Uh-oh, congestion ahead. What should we do, crews?
Imagine a stampede and hit the window.
Just like Smokey taught us.
I just love trying to dip it.
What was that?
I didn't press nothing.
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Sorry, rookies. I don't know how that happened.
Wait, the simulator was corrupted. I'm rebooting it now.
Got it. Okay. Now, it's important that you train on a variety of tracks. Let me show you. Select Tokyo, Japan.
Are you afraid to go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe? I'm Lightning McQueen for Leakless. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail.
That was only supposed to air overseas. Guys, what's happening?
In our universe, there is only one race car that stands above the rest.
Doc Hudson?
One race car who is the champion of champions!
Mr. King?
No! You know him as the greatest racer of all time!
Lightning McQueen!
No! Chick Hicks! Hey, McLoser!
Chick, what are you doing here?
Well, I hacked into your silly simulator so I could race you and finally prove who's the best race car. Me or me?
Chick, you already beat me in a race.
Everyone says I only won that cup because you were helping the king. They say my championship was a fluke, which it wasn't. I'm here to settle this once and for all. Let's race, McQueen.
I am not racing you, Chick. We're busy training these rookies.
I'll sweeten the deal. If I win, every racer here gets a huge pile of cash.
Rookies out of this.
I knew you were afraid to race me.
What do you rookies think? Should we race this guy?
Oh, yes, you should race Chick, even though he's so much better. Come on, do it, McQueen.
All right, let's do this. Mater, start up the simulator.
On it.
Please select a course.
Chick Hicks Motor Speedway.
Come on, is that even a place?
It is now. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, I'm facing the wrong way.
That's excuses, McQueen.
Oh, I'm driving backwards here.
You got this, buddy. Remember, you don't need to know where you're going.
Right, I just need to know where I'm going. All right, how am I doing, everyone?
You're doing great, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Because it looks to me like you're losing tire pressure.
I'm slowing down.
Check hack the system to change your stats.
Hey, that's cheating.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode.
Activating team mode.
Mr. McQueen, you tires! Guido! It's the...
Hey, Luigi, Guido, thanks.
Hey, McQueen, looks like you really do need some leak
My
place.
oil.
Oh, honey, don't worry. I got you. Coming on.
Exactly what I needed, Flo.
You know, racing with you is a real gas. Too bad you're running on empty.
How can I be out of gas?
Organic fuel to the rescue, man.
Thanks, Fillmore. You're saving the race.
It's a race?
Your loser friends aren't enough to beat me, McQueen.
You don't even know what a real friend is, Chick.
Oh, yeah? Oh, what do you call these guys?
So that's nightmares like this.
Time to go old school, Mr. McQueen.
Old school?
On a dirt track? Who races on dirt?
Doc Hudson.
Critical lab.
Well, that doesn't even make sense.
Does to me. Thanks, Doc.
Oh yeah, stickers! You're making Doc proud!
Hey, thanks. All right, Chick. Now it's just you and me. As Doc always said, look like a Cadillac.
Get out the beaver!
friends.
Hey, guess what? I'm his friend too.
You are?
No one messes with my whip filter. I'm coming for you.
This isn't even possible.
Well, rookies, that was not how I thought this lesson was going to go. But Chick reminded me that in the end, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you.
I'm getting all rusty-eyed back here.
Thanks for coming out today. Consider yourselves honorary members of my Lightning McQueen racing team.
Yeah!
Go out there and get your tires dirty.
Cut down!
We'll see you rookies out on the track.
Please welcome along into the drunken state of things as you exit.
Do not forget any items, because if you do, it's going to my junkyard.
Always follow the rules of the road.
Do not drive too fast or too slow. Drive behind me.
See you out there on the highway.
If you're ever out west, be sure to drop by Radiator Springs.